StrikeX Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that supports thousands of digital assets. StrikeX Wallet is free and available for iOS and Android devices. StrikeX Wallet has so many features, but today, I will talk about the 5 most useful features. The first feature is the inbuilt buy and sell feature. Buy and sell feature is powered by Transact that supports almost all countries, which means you can purchase crypto using your local currency. You just need to select the coin you want to buy or sell. Click on the buy button. Here you will see buy and sell option. You need to select your local currency to see supported payment methods. For example, if I will select INR, I will see UPI and others. As you can see, the minimum purchase amount is 1500 INR. Please remember, the minimum purchase amount is different for all currencies. After completing the transaction, you will receive coins directly in your StrikeX wallet. The second feature is cross-chain swaps. You don't need to use any dApps to convert your assets, you just need to select the swap option. Select the coin you want to sell in the first field, and select the coin you want to buy in the second field. After that, click on the Swap These Tokens button, then confirm the transaction, and your swap will be completed within a few seconds. The third feature is the ability to add custom tokens. Click on the Add Asset to Portfolio button, select Add or Remove Token. Here you can enable or disable the toggle to add or remove assets. You can also search for the token you want to add. If you can't see the token in the search result, click on this Add Custom Token button. Select the network. Currently, StrikeX supports only 3 networks, but they will add more networks in the coming future. Here I will select Solana because I want to add Chime's token, which is available on Solana. Paste the contract address of the token and StrikeX will automatically fill the other fields. Click Save and the token will be added instantly. As you can see, my custom added token is visible here. The fourth feature is the best and worst performing assets. At the bottom of the stats page, you will see 2 options, best performing and worst performing. These 2 options are very useful, especially for those who hold multiple assets in the StrikeX wallet. You don't need to check your whole portfolio, just take a look at these 2 options, and you will instantly know which asset isn't performing and which asset is performing. Here you will also see the total invested amount and total return amount. These options are useful for those who are invested in coins for the long term. Just select the time using this drop-down, and you will instantly know how much you earned or lost in that period. Here you will also see the allocation of your portfolio. This section will show you how much percentage of your portfolio is invested in which coins. The fifth feature is Wallet Connect. You will find the Wallet Connect option inside the Settings option. Wallet Connect allows you to connect your StrikeX wallet to decentralized apps such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, etc. For example, if you want to connect to PancakeSwap and Smart Chain Network, click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Wallet Connect, and you will see a QR code. Now go back to your StrikeX wallet, click on the Wallet Connect option, select the network, click on Connect to Wallet. Scan the QR code and click Confirm. Your wallet will be connected instantly. You can use this button to disconnect the wallet. Apart from these 5 features, there are so many useful features in the StrikeX wallet. Download the StrikeX wallet and you will definitely like it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.